What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today we have not one but two Boxycharms. We have the regular base and the premium box. I already have my makeup on because I'm just going over what's in the boxes and comparing the two. So if you're interested to see what I got in my base premium box, and you know the deal, you know the drill, you know the vibes, let's get it. Okay, so let's get into the boxes. I need to make sure everything is right. I didn't get a pamphlet for my base box, but here's my base box. I got these. Well, let me just start by saying I didn't want to try any of these products out because, to be very honest, I wasn't impressed, and I don't know how much of this I'm actually keeping. And I didn't want to open and use things that I just knew I wasn't excited about having, and I probably wouldn't use anyway. So we're gonna go through the things together, and I'll tell you what I'm interested in, what I'm not interested in, whatnot. So first we have this I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. It says it removes even waterproof mascara, 25 towelettes. So, oh, it has an expiration. How cool is that? It has an expiration date on it. I like that. So it expires March 2023. I am keeping these because makeup wipes are always good to have, and I use them. I'll probably list down below the retail price for it, and then at the end calculate the full value of the box and see which box I feel is better. This is the Pretty Vulgar. This is just like an eyeshadow primer. It's cute packaging. I don't use eyeshadow primer, and if I do, I have P. Louise base, so I don't need this. I don't care to have it. I heard it's good. I've seen videos of people opening their Boxycharms and using this, and it's good, but I don't need it. This is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. It kind of looks like a Urban Decay Naked Reloaded vibe. Pretty colors, sure, but I just don't need it. It doesn't excite me. So yeah, I'm not keeping this, and I'm not going to use that. And we have this Daily Concepts shampoo bar. Very strong smell of, like, does it tell me what scent it is? It has avocado oil, cactus, and aloe. It smells very soapy. I don't know how to use a soap bar, but I don't need a soap bar. I mean a shampoo bar. I know how to use soap bars. I didn't know how to use a shampoo bar. So I'm not keeping this because I did spend a lot of money on Functional Beauty. So I don't need this. It smells very fresh. It smells like a bar of soap, not necessarily shampoo. But and I have this Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. This was a choice item, and I figured I'll get this because I could easily just give it away or sell it because I had already bought it on the add-ons for like $12. It was in the add-on store, or Boxy Pop-Up. I don't know which one it is. So yeah, I was like, oh, I could just easily give this away or sell it, whatnot. I'm pretty sure it's like $40 retail. It is a really nice mask, very hydrating. Now for the premium box, which is really big just for no reason, because it truly could have all fit into the base box size. And I do have a pamphlet. This is Boxycharm Mother Nature. What's first on the card? Will I keep this? I'll probably keep this because I like mascaras. Kevin Aquan, the Expert Mascara. It's supposed to be full. It has camellia oil to fortify lashes, whatever that means. This retails for $29. I'll try this out because I like mascara. Let's see what this looks like. It's gold. I like mascaras. I have this like obsession, so I'll keep this. I need to fix my beauty space. Then we have the Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, even though it's shimmery, so like how is it a matte bronzer? Anyways, best selling. Yeah, smells like chocolate. Retails for $30. Let's open this up. This was my choice item. I have the matte one. We could swatch this. Let's see. I wonder if this will work for me. Should. It's a nice pretty bronzer. I'm excited to use this. I'll use this. That'll look really nice. I'm happy to have that piece. So I'm keeping this. Very pretty luxe packaging. Too Faced outdoes themselves every time. What's next? We have the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. The tint for glow on the go. It's just, it retails for $15. It's in the shade Astro, which I guess is like a very deep plum. I just don't need something like this, so I'm not keeping this. I'm not interested in it, to be honest. Okay, then we have the Paddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. This is super expensive. It retails for $90. I am keeping this because I like brushes. This one came out with the thing already. This is a nice brush. This could be like for contour or even foundation if I felt like it. Really like this. You're gonna have to clean those before I use it. And this could also be like a contour, like a bronzer brush. I don't know. I like the brushes and I'll use them, but they look like they could be 90, but they don't feel like 90. They're very lightweight. Like they don't have a luxe feel to them. So like these aren't worth 90 in my opinion. But they are nice brushes and I will use them. And they're soft, but not $90. Then we have the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Yeah, it's just a lip butter balm. I had to look at the ingredients to make sure it doesn't have beeswax, because I'm allergic to beeswax. This retails for $12. It's in the shade Canny. And it's super cute. I love it. The Sugar Rush. This is Tarte's like little brand. It smells like icing, like a cupcake. It's like kind of thick. That's what this, it kind of has like a chocolate smell the more that I smell it. But I like this. I love chapstick. I have an obsession with chapstick, so I will definitely be keeping this. And it's super cute. Is it worth $12? If it's really good, then I'd pay $12. I mean, that's not too much, is it? Then the last thing I have is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liquid Liner in the shade Dark Wave. And this retails for $20. I'll open it to, I don't know if I'm keeping this because this is a nice funky eyeliner to have. It is blue, but it says Longwear Matte. It's like, I don't need a blue eyeliner, and I don't like eyeliners that typically come in this kind of packaging. And it's like, I don't need that. I just don't need that. You know what I mean? You have to shake it. I don't need that. I don't want that. So let me get the total value of the boxes. Okay, so the value of the base box is $147, and again, you pay $125. You pay $25 plus tax, and then the premium box value is $196. So that's a $49 difference, and for the premium you pay $35 plus tax, so that's like $38. And from the base box, I only wanted to keep one product, and I kept most of the premium box, but it wasn't anything I was super excited about. And most of the value of the premium box comes from these two brushes because they're so expensive. But other than that, I was really excited about this because this is like a cult classic product. But I don't know, like for the other premium stuff, this glow oil, a lot of people don't really care for. It's not something that they really like. And this eyeliner from KVD, this is currently like a product on Sephora that's, I don't know if it's going out of stock, but it is on sale and they're getting rid of it. So, and nobody ever talks about this. I don't know, I just feel highly underwhelmed. There were other products of these boxes that I would have been happier to get. Like, I know the base box had Hourglass as a choice product, but I didn't see that as a choice product when I chose, unless it was already sold out. They had Tarte Micellar Water, which I would have enjoyed, but I didn't get that. House Labs eyeliner, which I really wanted, but didn't get that. Even like a Joey lip cream I would have been more excited about, but also didn't get that. It's just like, of all the products I could have gotten in my base, I feel like I got all of the products I just didn't care to have. And as for the premium, oh, the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, I was really hoping to get that, didn't get that. But yeah, I'm super unimpressed with my Boxycharm. I'm hoping next month is better. I don't even remember what the choices were. Let's see. June Boxycharm choices. They had the lip oils again. Zoeva eyeshadow primer. I don't need an eyeshadow primer. KVD Beauty lipstick. I don't think that was an option when I did it. I didn't see that as an option when I went. Lashaholic lashes, which I contemplated getting because I do like their lashes, but I went with the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. That was my choice item, and it says I could get this Glow Recipe avocado mask, which I think is stunning. Ooh, or this Cocoa contour kit. Oh my god, if I get that, I'm gonna be super excited. That's premium. Okay, so this is premium. Sorry guys. Or the avocado mask. If I get that, and I'll be super happy. If not, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be bitter. Oh, and then for the base box, choices were Benefit Professional, which I have the hydrating, I don't need that. Tula Eye Balm, don't need that. the Benefit Hygiene Primer. I have that. I was debating between Artist Couture loose highlighter, but I was like, I don't know what shade I'll get, because it could give me something super icy, super dark, I can't use it, or a strange color that I just wouldn't like. So I just went with the Lily Lashes mascara because I love mascara. And then they have some Touch and Soul palette. They have like interesting palettes. They're okay. I don't know. It's Boxycharm. Super unimpressed, underwhelmed, and I just hope nothing more than for it to, you know, get better. I just feel like as of recently, Boxycharm has been choosing products from brands that are just going out of stock, or it's leftover stock. People don't want it anymore, because a lot of the products on Boxycharm are products that on retail sites are on sale. So I don't know, tell me down below what you've been thinking about Boxycharm, because I'm not very happy with it. I mean, considering I spent all this money on Boxycharm this month since I got both boxes of all the things I actually like, I don't know, I got my money's worth of these products, but I expected more. So that's it. That's the end of this video. Has been pretty negative. Boxycharm as of this year hasn't been that great to me, in my opinion, but it is what it is. And I just hope next month, I feel like I've been saying for a couple months now that I hope next month is better, and it's been getting worse. Like, this is the worst it's been. So, especially my base box, which I didn't need to get, but here we are. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Wednesday and Saturday. If you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, a link on my social media down below. I link my Mercari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. Comment down below if you like to buy any of these products I don't want, or, you know, a bundle of all of them for about the same price you would pay Boxycharm anyway. You know what I mean? Get these products away from me because I just don't need them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Don't mind that I'm missing many nails. I glued these on really tight. I just swallowed a lot of boogers in my mouth.